Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and this is a sample video recorded using the Full HD front-facing video recorder of the Vivo V19 Neo. So currently you're hearing audio straight from the onboard microphone of this smartphone. So what can you say about it? Do you hear the ambient noise? So there are dogs barking currently, and I have an electric fan beside me. Do you hear the ambient noise? What can you say about the picture quality, the colors? How about the skin tone? So obviously I currently have pimple scars on my face, but I do think that, in terms of the overall skin tone, this phone renders colors quite nicely. How about the colors in my surroundings? The blues, greens. My Marshall speaker here has a gold trimming. How does it look? The browns, blacks. Okay. What can you say about the dynamic range? Alright, so again, currently you're hearing audio straight from the onboard microphone of the Vivo V19 Neo. But what's great about this smartphone as a video recording tool or as a vlogging tool is that you can further improve the audio quality by plugging in an external microphone to its 3.5mm combo jack. So what I have here is the Comica VS08 cardioid shotgun microphone. Again, this is the Comica VS08, and what's good about this is that you can just plug it straight to the phone's audio jack. So let me just do that and let me know if you hear any difference in terms of the sound quality. Okay? Let's plug it in. Alright, so TV friends, this is an audio test of the Comica VS08 shotgun microphone on the Vivo V19 Neo. So, do you hear a big difference in the audio quality from earlier and now? I still have an electric fan beside me. So, do you hear the electric fan noise? How about the ambient noise? Is my voice sounding better because of the microphone? So, for those who are wondering if you can use the Vivo V19 Neo as a vlogging tool, so in lieu of those hybrid cameras or camcorders, this is the video for you. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. What do you think in terms of the audio quality with the Comica VS08 shotgun microphone that's plugged to this smartphone, the Vivo V19 Neo? Is it better? Is the sound quality clearer? Okay, so there you go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. So again, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and this is a sample video recorded using the front-facing video recorder of the Vivo V19 Neo, which shoots up to full HD. And also for the sound, this is a sample, you're hearing sample audio from the Comica VS08 shotgun microphone for smartphones. Okay. Thumbs up.